Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors again. Today I'm going to show you around, fresh in, this lovely 19 plate Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2-litre diesel S. Now this is the automatic gearbox, finished in a wonderful colour, this quartzite metallic. So let's take a look around it because it's in wonderful, wonderful condition. Now the quartzite metallic's a very rare colour, to be fair. It's a lovely golden grey, just like the stone, the quartz. Got the silver Range Rover badging and the lovely bimetal looking grille. This particular one is sat on the 17-inch grey alloy wheels and they're riding on fantastic Goodyear tyres. Now these cars are fully loaded, some wonderful extras on this. So we started with a 4-wheel drive car. Externally we've got parking sensors front and rear, but then it also has the reversing camera. Now this is the first on a 19 where it's the facelift, so we've got the new headlamps which follows through onto this lovely grille. So we've got a nice black high gloss trim with a silver satin detail, but all around you can see the car's been absolutely cared for from new. Now if you take a look on our website, you'll see I've done the service documentation, but this particular car is a 2-owner vehicle. It's got the factory option of the panoramic glass roof as well. We've got the black mirror caps and then the contrast black roof as well. Coming round to the rear, this more sleeker rear end, 150 brake horsepower diesel. This one's also got the option of the electric tailgate. So some very nice features on it. Nice size boot there, lovely space, lots of things that you can put in there. And then looking around it then internally, we've got some wonderful, wonderful extras. So inside the car, let's have a look there. Full black leather ebony interior. Now this particular car's got the electric blind as well, but it's got heated steering wheel. So I've just put the steering on and you'll see that badge there for the heated steering wheel. 23,353 miles. A wonderful, wonderful car. So reversing camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the features, to be honest with you, but a lovely, lovely vehicle. So if you any interest, give us a call and we'll give you more information. But thanks for watching the video.